Hi, my name is Danya and I'm the Academic Manager at Octopi. I'm going to show you how to create a resource. Now, you can do this step when you've opened your class and you see the button Add Resource. If you click on it, you can create a new resource or add one from your library by simply clicking Add from Library, choosing the resource you would like to add, and under Actions, press the plus button. Once you've added the resource, you can even press the Activity button and add multiple ones or create a new one. When you create a resource, you will be required to enter a name, choose the nature of the resource. Is it a material, an assessment, meaning a quiz or an exam, or is it an assignment, like a homework? You are also able to choose if this material should be rated, meaning that students can rate you and the rating will be open for everyone, or hidden from students, meaning you will still receive the ratings, however no one can see it but yourself, or off, meaning that the rating is not an option. You also have the ability to share the material with colleagues if you're collaborating with other teachers in your school, and to hide the score from students if you were to grade this resource and you did not want to share the end result with the students. You can go ahead and fill the instructions for your resource and add any type of material through the form of an attachment, create your own assessment using our assessment tool, or adding in a link. Go ahead and add some tags so that you can easily find this resource in your library. If you would like to add objectives, this is also an option by clicking Add Objective, and you can select an objective from your objectives list or create a new one right then and there. Now, once you do create a resource, you can directly link it to the class. However, if you just want your resource to stay in the library, you can go ahead and click on the Resource Library icon on the left side of the page on the vertical column. Once you do so, you'll have access to all the resources that you've created before. You can add an objective if you would like by clicking Add under the word Objectives. You are able to view the rating for your resource, and if you click the three dots, you'll be able to edit the resource, delete it, or copy it so that you can use it again in another way. Now, if you would like to create a new resource from scratch, then simply press Create Resource and follow the steps required in order to finish the resource. If you would like to view your library in a filtered manner, under All, you can filter according to the category that the resource falls under. For example, assessment, I have the resource exam shown up. Assignment, I have the resources that are homeworks shown up. Whereas material, it could be anything from videos to PowerPoints to any type of lesson material used in the class.